was happy to nominate Tom as a SAMPE Fellow. I first met Tom when he was a PI on one of my programs. As a DARPA program manager, I always look for the innovation and technical excellence and the follow-through in my PIs that Tom exhibited. He was one of the best technical folks that we had on the program, and it was key to our tailable feedstock and forming program being successful. So for Tom, I felt that the work that he did on resin infusion and basically providing a path to make composite parts at the price of aluminum but still meet the aerospace performance that we were looking for was just key. The most interesting thing I find about Tom is that he has this ability to see the big picture, but then really dive down into details that at one point I can't get into those details, and he's able to go work both ends of the program. So the work that Tom did on the tailable feedstock and forming, now that you can produce composite parts at the price of aluminum and still get that composite performance, it's going to revolutionize our industry. One of the most interesting things I found about Tom is I could never figure out where he lived. With all the traveling he did, he was either at St. Louis and DC and Huntington Beach, and I was always surprised at where he actually reported into at the Boeing company.